Welcome back to my channel Education Hub Point 48.
Hello everyone, it's grammar time and I'm Ben teacher. Today we're learning about this and that and these and those. Well, those words are really similar. Let's think about the difference. This is my book. That is my book. These are my books. Those are my books. Could you see the difference? This and that are singular. These and those are plural. Remember, plural means many. So, these and those are for plural or many. These or those are my books. Many books, right? This or that is my book. Just one book. Look at the picture, you can see. If something is close to you, close enough to touch, then it's this. If something too far away to touch, you have to point at it, then it's that. This is the difference between this and that. So, close is this, far is that. Easy, right? How about this is my book and that is my book? Can you see the difference? It can be the same object, the only difference how far is it from you. If it's very close, this is my book. If it's very far, that is my book. Easy, right? When we do plural, we use these and those. Okay, other example. How many shoes are there? There are 2 shoes, right? So, if the shoes are close, these. If the shoes are far away, those. These are my shoes. Those are my shoes. This, these, close. That, those, far. Really easy, right? So, since it's so easy, we have a second thing to cover today. That's going to be a target grammar number 2. This is negative sentences and questions. A negative sentence is a no sentence. It says this is not true. A question is asking for information or confirmation, yes or no. When we start the question with be verb, the be verb always comes first. So, is that your book? Remember, be verb, subject, then the rest of the question. Is that your book? Let's take a look at more. Here, we have 2 books. One is close, one is far. This, that. This is my book. Do you see her there holding the book? She can say yes. This is my book. A positive sentence is a yes sentence. Here, that book. That doesn't look like her book, doesn't? So we know that is not my book. A negative sentence is a no sentence. So that is not my book. If we want to make it the question, what do? We have to put the be verb first. What the singular be verb is. Is that your book? No, that is not my book. Let's take a look at these shoes. Look at the boy here. He is thinking about his shoes, right? Which one has this or those? So, those are my shoes. The faraway shoes. Those are my shoes. Positive sentence. These are not my shoes. Closed shoes are not his shoes. These are not my shoes. Negative sentence. How can you ask the boy about his shoes? Well, first you need to be verb. What's the be verb for 2 things? The be verb for that one thing is are. Aren't these your shoes? No, those are my shoes. Okay, we are going to move on the other example. Look at her face. Do you think this is her chair? No, that is not my chair. Look how close the teddy bear is. Do you think this is her teddy bear? Is this your doll? Yes, it is. Doll and teddy bear, you can say both, right? A teddy bear is a doll. Is this your doll? Yes, it is. Look at these faraway boxes. Those are not my boxes. Look at her face. Those are not her boxes. How can we ask the question? Boxes are more than one, right? So, which these verbs do you use? Are, right? Are those your boxes? Great job! Let's wrap up. Today we'll cover two things. We cover this and that, and this and those. Like the singular, plural, near and far. Remember, this is my chair. It's close. That is not my door. Positive and negative. Are these your books? This is a question, right? So think about all of these wonderful things and try to use them in your daily English. That's all for today. Goodbye and see you next time.
Thanks for watching Education Hub Point 48. Subscribe for more videos.